Hey, it's Amia Renee, and I'm back with an update on how my waves that I got from my waveformers held up throughout the week. So, as you know, if you're watching this video, this is part 2 of my waveformers video. Or I wouldn't say part 2, but the update on how my waveformers held up. To me, it still looks great. If you're natural, then you know you have to embrace the frizz. So I'm almost 6 years natural, so I'm way past that. When I was first natural, I used to get so upset anytime I would see my curls starting to frizz up because I was not used to having frizzy hair. I thought my hair was ruined, but like I said, 6 years in the game of being natural, the frizzier the better. But let me come a little closer so you can see my hair. And I do have just 2 little hairpins. Let me take it down. 2 little hairpins in the front, so I won't just dangle in my face like this. Which this is fine, but while I'm working and everything, I can't have my hair just sitting in my face like that. I need to see what I'm doing. So I just pin it up a little bit in the front. And that's it. Also, let me show you how I preserve my hair at night. And every day I would take my silk scarf and I will put my hair in a pineapple. That's the pineapple, and I would take a big hair rubber band. So my hair can stick up instead of hanging down in my face. Can you see? So that's how I go to sleep, preserve my hair at night. In the morning, get up, take it off, just use my hands. I don't use a pick or anything, and it'll fall right into place. If I need to adjust my pins in the morning, I'll do that. If not, that's fine. And also, I only spray my hair one time with some oil. So I use, this is, I don't know if they even still sell this. I had this when I first became natural, so like 5-6 years ago. This is Curl's Daughter Macadamian. I got finishing mist. So it's my second time doing it. Spray it a little bit. That's it. So I hope after watching this video you get a better idea if you would like to try the waveformers. For me, it's a go. I must try. It's inexpensive, it's easy, low maintenance. I have nothing negative to say about it. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate everyone who subscribed, like, comment, everything that you do. I read every last comment. I try to reply to everybody. I really do appreciate all of my new subscribers I received. I received a ton of new subscribers from my Passion Twist videos. So hello to everyone. See you. Thank you for your support. I can't stop smiling and looking at myself in the camera. And my hair gets bigger and bigger and bigger, which I absolutely like. Love it. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.